Okay, everyone, this is Sister Colton, and we are on to Lesson 12. The topic for this week, as you'll see, I went into my content page, and it's family relationships and communication, which, if we know that family is central to God's plan, then we want to do everything we can to make sure that that relationship with our family is strong, and we can take care of any weaknesses or problems that we might have. I have here on the right just the 3 things I'm going to go over in this video to kind of help give you an agenda, a guide. First, Lesson 12's application activity. The reason I want to point it out to you is you'll establish a SMART goal. We've done SMART goals before. Remember to make sure you can answer each of the letters, S-M-A-R-T. It'll walk you through it when I show you the template. The next thing is this SMART goal has to do with how you can improve a family relationship. So it's not a SMART goal on how you can be more physically fit or read your scriptures more. The focus, since the whole week's on family relationships, is on one, as you see it, select a relationship with one family member. So if I think about it, I would say, of all my family members, I could benefit from strengthening the relationship with my youngest sister. So then I'm going to think of a goal that I could have to help improve that relationship and that communication. You'll download the template, and when you do, when you do, I want you to look carefully here. Write up one paragraph. There's debate out in the grammar world, English world, on how much a paragraph is. I'm looking for 3 sentences. At the very least, 2 complete sentences to answer each of those questions. And I'll use that as a guide when I'm grading. Specific, so it goes through some of the elements of SMART. What specific changes would you like to make? And so I want you to be thinking about a goal that is something you can control. You'll see here. Step 1, focus on your choices, actions, and resulting effects, and not on the desired behaviors of the other person. So it would not be good for me to say, I am going to work next week on helping my sister have more patience, or something that is in her control. It should be focusing on my choices. I'm going to choose to reach out to her each day, or call her every other day, or at least text her twice a week and call her once. And because that's something I can do, it's not on her and what I think she should do for me to reach my goal. So that is the application activity, and I look forward to, I love reading these and seeing the different relationships that you're trying to improve. Remember, one thing it said here is it can be a current relationship, like a relationship you have right now, or if you want to prepare for future. So if you are already married and know that you want to be a mom someday, or maybe you're pregnant and going to be a mom, maybe you want to set a goal for how you can be a good parent or a grandparent. Maybe you're not married yet. What are some things that you're going to do? What are some choices you will make so that you're prepared to have that relationship as the husband or as the wife, and to be the person you want to be in that relationship? So that's if you choose not to do a relationship you're in right now. The next thing I want to talk about is listening and speaking logs. Just a reminder that you have 5 days, 5 days that you work on your listening and speaking log skills, and you complete your log. It's most beneficial to you if you try to do some activities that help your listening and some that help your speaking. Maybe 3 of the days are listening skills, watching a movie, listening to a song, listening to a devotion or a talk. And then another was on speaking, talking to a friend, talking to a neighbor, Skyping or FaceTiming with someone, talking to an old companion. There are different options when you look at the list of activities, and some can help you practice your speaking. We need to make sure not only can we listen and hear, but can we produce and speak. So think of that with just the last little bit that we have left. Last thing, number 3 I want to talk about is feedback. Each week when I grade, some assignments are automatically graded by the computer. And there are about 4 that I grade manually, one by one. I don't type feedback in for all of them, but I do give feedback for application activity and everyone's vocabulary quizzes, and then for some of people's other assignments. I want you to make sure you can see the feedback. I spent a lot of time giving that, and I'd be sad if you can't even see it. In your feedback in the mid-semester surveys, some people said, I get points taken off and I don't know why. And I don't want that to happen. There's a rubric, and when I mark down that maybe you only get 2 out of 3, I type in there why you are missing a point. If you're not seeing that, that would be confusing, and I want the feedback to help your future assignments so we don't make any of those errors, or that we can do something to get the full points. So please, please email me if you are not seeing my feedback. If all you see is a score. I sent that video a few weeks ago about how to see the feedback. If you're still not able to see it, please email me. I want to know so I can help fix this, because my job is to help you improve. And you can't improve as much as you could if you don't see what feedback I'm giving that helps you get better each week. So, email me if you cannot read feedback or you don't know why you get points taken off sometimes. And have a wonderful week. I am grateful for all of you, and I hope you know how much I enjoy getting to know you and reading your assignments, your experiences, your testimonies, and it strengthens mine. So, thanks everyone. Bye.